This is going to be a very quick demo on how to split text that's in a field in Excel into its components. In this case, I'm just going to use the delimiter of this dash, but you could break it up with the spaces and put each one of these pieces, the season or the semester, the year, and then the course, into their own different, well, why don't we just go ahead and do that? We'll put the semester, the year, and the course into their own columns. So I believe you have to have a column for each piece that's going to come out of this. And then I just highlight the field, and under the data tab, there's a text to columns wizard. I want to do delimited. And here it's showing me a preview. Right now it would be delimiting on a tab. I don't have any tabs in there, but I do have spaces. And when I click that, it shows me a preview of what my output's going to look like. So I will have a column that's for the semester and for the year and for the course. You could do it based on a comma, or you can combine them together. So if I had commas and spaces, or in this case, if I wanted to break each one of these into their own fields, I could other and put a dash in there. And now you can see it's updated where I've got my semester, my year, the department, the course number, and the section all in its own columns. Now I do believe you have to add 2 fields for this. So I'd want to do that first. When I go to next, this is where it gives me an opportunity to format each one of these fields. And so if you were trying to break up a date field, month, day, year, you could go in and make sure that you are assigning the right format to each output column. And you do that just by clicking on the columns here. I want this to be text. I want this one to be text. And I want this to be, let's see if it gives me just year. No, it doesn't. But I'm definitely attributing it that it is a date and not just a value. And then I would just hit finish. Oh, and I just overwrote because I didn't add those new fields, but I'm going to just undo it anyway. So there we go. I've got my spring, my year, my department, etc. All right, hope that helps.